All right, today we're gonna make stickers. You can make stickers either by printing out black and white pieces of paper that already have pictures on them, or you can just get a copy paper and you can draw your own pictures. If you draw your own, you wanna trace them with Sharpie, then you wanna color them in. Don't use crayons or anything with a waxy substance, like don't use oil pastels. You could use color pencils, you can use markers. Today we're using color pencils. And just some Thanksgiving clip art that I printed off. So make sure you're paying attention and all eyes are up here. I've already colored one in because I didn't want to bore you with watching me color. So the supplies that you need are something to make a sticker out of, a picture. You need clear tape. This is just regular packing tape. Everybody's probably got that at their house already. You need wax paper or parchment paper. You can find that in the kitchen, okay? And that's it. That's the only supplies you need to make stickers. And these stickers can go on your water bottle, on your notebooks, on your face, on your shirts. So once you get your picture colored, you're gonna cut it out and you're gonna leave a little white border just like you see on every sticker that you buy, right? So don't cut, normally I tell you cut right on the black line. Don't do that. Leave a little white border. Then you're going to get a piece of wax paper, because that's what I had in the art room, is wax paper. It wants to roll up on one side. So you're gonna flip it over, flatten it out, and you're going to need a tab. So with my white paper, I'm going to cut a strip of paper, like so. And I'm going to use the end of my paper, the edge of my paper, and I'm gonna put this little tab right here. And I'm gonna take my tape, and here's a life lesson that you really need to learn. When you're dealing with rolls of tape, after you cut a piece of tape, and you don't need a huge piece of tape if you're dealing with a small picture. You cut the tape, you see how I'm holding it with my hands? I cut in between my fingers. Before I let go of the tape roll, I bend this in on itself. That way I have a tab and I can always find the end of the tape. Life lesson. Please do that on every tape roll from now on. Got it? Okay, now I'm gonna take this piece of tape. My tab is on the wax paper, and I'm going to put the tape over the tab and make sure it lays down nice and flat on the wax paper. I'm gonna take the little rainbow that I just colored, and I'm gonna put it close to the tab. I'm gonna make sure it's on the tape, and then I'm gonna take another piece of tape. So that's two pieces of tape. One is on the wax paper on top of the tab. Second goes on top of whatever you colored and the tab. Press it down really, really good. Then you're going to cut, stuck it to the table. Then you're going to cut your sticker out. You have to leave a good bit of tape and wax paper around. You cannot cut right up to the white part. You want to make sure that some of that tab is left on there. Doesn't have to be a big bit, but it does have to be a little bit. Where that tab is, that's where the wax paper is going to peel off easy, because there's no tape holding it down. Come on. There it is. Okay, so that little corner is going to peel right off. That tab will peel off the tape easily, she said. Anyway, the wax paper peels off. It's sticky. You can peel that tab off if you're patient. If not, guess what you can do? Cut it off. And then you have a sticker. Okay? And that can go boom right on your water bottle.
But don't lie, don't shit.